Hi everybody, welcome back. Look at this beautiful craft peacock. Let's make it. We are going to fold a craft paper like this. Now we are going to fold it like this from its corners. Let's make the body of the peacock first. Now we are going to make the feathers by folding the other portion of the craft paper like this and make pleats like this. Make multiple folds like we are doing here, and look, it is almost ready. Now we are going to tuck it inside and make a curvy shape like this. Now we are going to fold the other portion like this. Make the body by folding it, make its beak, and look, it is ready. Look at this beautiful butterfly. Let's make it. Take a printed craft paper and fold it into half. Now we are making multiple folds from its corners like this, and then we are folding like this. Open it. Now make the wings of the butterfly look like this, and we are going to join it in the center using a piece of paper. Now make its antennas, paste all of them together, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.